Oh, what is that?
What? Oh no, is that something swimming towards us?
Yeah. Nelly, oh my god! We picked up a new hobby and it's kayaking. This video you'll see all our mishaps. This is truly a beginner's experience about kayaking. So let me take you 24 hours ago. Alright, so we decided something yesterday. Definitely a spur of the moment. Why not go into kayaking? Problem I'm gonna have is how to load it in the car. Yeah, not gonna be able to transport it on top of that. So I'm gonna have to use her car. The plan is to be able to take our dogs with it, because you know we do everything for our dogs. We love our dogs. That's like our babies. Oh shoot, I forgot. I gotta bring some tie downs. Got these guys. We're going to Dick's Sporting Goods. Alright, they told me to go to the loading dock and I had to buy a kayak carrier, which I'm gonna have to install while I'm up here. They're not that expensive, they're like $100. I'm pretty sure it will be more secure and a lot faster to transport. So I'm gonna have to invest in that. I can do this. I can do this. It says service button does not work. Well, it clearly does. That was interesting, but it's loaded up there. Now I just gotta strap it down. It's not as easy as I thought. But as soon as I get a hang of this, I should be able to get it down to a T. But I read the instruction because I just followed my own thing, but I had to read the instructions, so. Here's our adventure. First time on a kayak. Molly's idea. So if you find this video, which means we drifted out in somewhere that we couldn't be found, just look at our
Bermuda Triangle of
Find My.
the Illinois.
Yeah.
The river.
My daughter has our location specifically, which is, you know, in the Apple Find My.
It's not that
So
serious.
Olivia, we love you. When your husband is a YouTuber, you always video stuff. Muddy buddies. Muddy buddies. Oh, what is that?
What? Oh no, is that something swimming towards us?
Yeah. Nelly, oh my god!
What is that thing? Oh, it's just a rock.
Oh my gosh. Babe!
Another one!
It's a rock.
Ah! Ah! I could freak out so easily.
Oh my gosh, you freaked me out. She freaked me out.
It's gonna be a freaking.
I thought it was like a crocodile. We're such a newbie.
Whoa, what's that thing charging upstream at us? I really thought it was chug-a-lugging at us.
I did scare you though, because I was like, whoa, what is that coming towards
My
us?
ass cheeks clenched so hard.
I know, me too. I was like, man, we're gonna be eaten. There's nobody here. But right now we're going with the current. The issue is gonna be coming back. That's side, sorry.
It doesn't loop around, I don't think.
No. Hey, worst case scenario, we'll remember where we put it and we'll call an Uber. That's going strong. Should we turn?
No.
Babe! Ah, bugs. Alright, let's check our survival gear. Protein and sugars. Check. What else we got? Beef jerky. Beef jerky, you gotta have protein. Check, so I don't have to hunt here. I'm your host, my name is Bombo. We're drifting. Well, you're supposed to steer.
Look at her run. I've never seen a deer run like that in water. Oh, it's beautiful.
If you play the game Days Gone and you're supposed to clear out the nest, zombie nest, that's what it looks like.
Molotov.
You gotta throw a Molotov. What if we find a dead body here? Two kayakers just enjoying their Friday afternoon, and then all of a sudden they found a dead body. But you gotta. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Lester Holt. On today's episode on Dateline, Molly and Jerry on a Friday afternoon, they gotta go out in a kayak. As Molly pedals, she's steering. She's the leader of the pack, while Jerry just sips on his White Claw in the back, having fun, like husbands do.
What's that? I swear I saw somebody there. Somebody in white.
Yeah, it's you know, ow, mother.
Get bitten?
Yeah, naked and afraid. That's one thing I don't like, but naked and afraid.
Rapids.
It's the rapids.
Get at it.
Oh shit! What is that?
That's the dam. How are we gonna get back up it?
Good question. Well, it's very shallow. You just gotta stand up.
Yeah, I'm not. Ooh. Was that the dam? Was that a dam? That's not a dam. There was something. That's creepy as hell.
Very creepy.
It looks like it's missing.
What are you doing?
Look at that. Let's turn around. That's nature telling us to turn around. Look at all these shells.
Okay, are you going in circles?
I'm paddling out.
I thought you got this. Where are you going?
Turn around. Stop being that way.
Oh, you need help. All right, stop being that way.
You get struggling.
Let me just. There we go.
Why are you doing this?
What are you doing, babe? What are you going?
Stop.
I'm not even doing anything. You're going in circles.
Oh, but I'm the only one with the paddle. It's like some Twilight Zone where you can't get out.
It's like, what are you doing? I'm not doing anything.
It's gonna be harder than you thought.
All right, ready? Go. We're gonna go upstream this time.
Dude, I'm already exhausted. We have like 4 miles. Not even.
I'm walking now because there was a very, very strong current. I decided to walk back to the car while she stays in the kayak. So it should be a 12-minute walk to the car, and I'll grab the car and they'll pick her up. One thing we learned from this experience is that we probably should stay on lakes. At least the lake, there's no current, nothing that will pull us. But it was too strong. We had to get off the kayak twice. I had to pull her, she had to pull me. Still walking towards back to the car. It's kind of weird. It's the first time that I've actually walked underneath the bridge on the freeway. Finally in the car. Alright, you're probably gonna watch me mess up. Trying to load that kayak back. Load it up there. Well, that's how you load it, somewhat. To tell you the truth, it was fun. It was quite an experience, something that I will always remember, and definitely my wife will as well. Now, here are the lessons that we learned on our adventure. The first one is finding a suitable location. Don't do creeks or rivers. I would stick with lakes. Any body of water that has no current wherein you can start and end in the same spot. We're gonna stick with lakes in the area. Second thing is, as the husband who's gonna be doing all the heavy lifting, figure out a way or practice loading and unloading the kayak by yourself. And then the gear definitely is the flotation device. There's one for paddling, so it prevents chafing right here when you're paddling. And the kayak carrier was invaluable to make sure when I'm transporting the kayak that it's not gonna go anywhere. Other than that, it's a fun experience. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Bombo, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.